Beautiful and delicious Mexican-style scallop salad. Bring a new taste to an ordinary salad. Let's start to make it. Wash tomato. Cut tomatoes. Top and bottom of the tomatoes must be cut off before rolling them into roses. Cut the tomato in half. Then cut the tomatoes diagonally. It is easier to make tomato roses by cutting them diagonally, then cutting them straight. When cutting diagonally, try to cut it as thin as possible, and the rose petals will look better. Then carefully roll the tomato slices into roses. Then fix the bottom with a toothpick. Professional chefs can roll it without a toothpick. If you are a beginner at home, you can try a toothpick to fix it without affecting the appearance. And make the flower shape a little richer. Put the roses on the plate after making the roses. Defrost the scallop first. You can bake it at a low temperature and fry it to make it more crispy. I bake it in the air fryer at 90 degrees for 5 minutes. The scallop is rich in water. Before frying, use a kitchen towel to dry the surface of the water to avoid splashing oil when it is placed in the pot. Put olive oil into a hot pan. Put the scallops on medium heat. Remember not to flip the scallops too much to lock in the juices from the scalpos. Just flip 1 or 2 times. Fry the scallops until slightly golden. Add some garlic salt. But don't add too much salt, because the scallop itself is also rich in sea flavor. Put some pepper. Add some parsley. Add some butter. Butter can make the sauce richer, locks moisture in the scallops. Cook for a while. With lower heat. Add some sage at the end. Sage is especially suitable for marinating all kinds of meat, fish, and seafood. It can be used in greasy and rich flavored dishes.
Hear the night storm young.
Golden yellow scalpos with vanilla scent. Perfect. Look juicy and delicious. Then cook the bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are rich in calcium, B vitamins, vitamin C, and carotene. It has a special fresh smell. They are nutritious green and delicious beauty vegetables. Put the golden scallops on the 4 points of the plate.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah,
yeah. Add washed green salad. Put the leaves in the space between the scallops. Then put some canned orange. Make this dish more sweet and sour. Then put the bean sprouts. Add spicy nacho chips and yellow mustard. Add pansy flowers. Put to lemon pieces. Drizzle with honey at the end. The slightly fried scallops still maintain the tenderness and sweetness of the scallops with the addition of slightly spicy Mexican nacho and honey mustard sauce to enhance the taste of the salad. Please like and share our channel, A Pour Simple Cooking Gert. Let's make beautiful and affordable dishes.